How to install F5-TTS. Now, if you pull up any preferred web browser from your end and you will head directly to F5-TTS official site and generate your own clone voice or any voice that you would like to synthesize or generate, you won't be able to download it using the official site. Now, what you want to do is install it. Now, for you to install it, just simply create or add a new tab on your preferred web browser and then head directly to Mimic PC. Now from here, you should be able to see multiple results, but the only thing that you will click is will direct you to mimicpc.com's official site. Now once you're here, you can choose to log in or create an account using your Facebook account or through your Google Mail. And by here, just simply tap or click on free launch. Now for free launch, there will be a bunch of platforms that is actually available for Mimic PC. And what you will look at right now is just to choose on F5-TTS right here. It is actually below apps. So you will see a bunch of options here, but just choose on F5-TTS. Now, once you click on F5-TTS, just simply click on Get Started. From here, just go directly to create and start. Now, once you click on create and start, this is gonna be your F5-TTS platform, which is actually similar to the F5-TTS official site. So again, same drill, upload your own audio, input or type in your text to generate, click on synthesize, and you should be able to download the generated text with audio that you just read in here. So that's it. That's how you install F5-TTS.